Hello guys, welcome back. Without wasting time, let's get started. Today I'll show you guys how to make a 3D shadow effect. So let's change the size of our design to another size, or you can just maintain the normal size. The thing to do now is to change the background color of our design. So head to this icon and choose the color icon, and then click on color to change it to any color features. But for this tutorial, we're making it of white. And then click on the A icon to insert your text. So type in your text, can be anything. For this tutorial, I'll be using the shadow text. So after that, increase the size using the size to increase it to a specific size, and then use the relative position to align the vertical and horizontal side. Make sure it's at the center. And then the next thing to do is to click the AB icon and change your font type to this or any other font. So make sure it's at the center. So use the relative position to align it at the center. So the next thing is to click on color and just click on the plus icon without clicking any other color, and make this transparent by drawing it this way. And then head to the stroke icon, click on the stroke and then enable it, and then click on gradient and select a color. After doing that, you can copy this, duplicate this, and then hide the duplicated one, and then make use of this the first one. So now let's head to 3D shape. So click on the 3D text and enable it. Now click on oblique and then increase the depth to the highest size. And then the next thing to do now is to change the oblique angle to this size. So rotate the circle to change the oblique angle. The next thing to do now is to head to the stroke and change the color from the initial color. Just click on color now and then pick the black color. Now head back to the to this layer and then put it at the center. So use the relative position to align it at the center. Make sure it's at the center so your design will be aligned. Then the next thing to do is to click on the other layer and then head to 3D. Okay, align it at the center and then head to 3D to increase your dark level. So increase your darken level to 100. And then after doing that, you have to rasterize that layer. So to do that, just merge it with a shape. So just draw it to that side, just draw it that side and match that shape to the dark shadow. So after this, move it to the back by drawing this or clicking to the back icon. So move it to the back. So you can actually use a background or just use a plain color. So let's just import a background. So let's import this background and then click the 16:9 icon and then use the relative size to make it equal with the layout, and then move it to the back. So the next thing to do now is to click on that shadow and then reduce the opacity to any size of your choice. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do me a favor and subscribe, and also click the notification icon so you can get notified or updated whenever I release a new video. So after doing this, you just have to save the design. So just save it. And choose the ultra quality, and also thanks for watching. Subscribe and see you guys next time on my next tutorial.